Morning, everyone. Today is going to be a different type of day. We're loading hay onto a transport, so got to get snowblower off here. They're coming at 3 o'clock this afternoon. They're coming earlier than expected, so we're kind of not ready. We got to get a push rod built because they're bringing a van trailer, which is an enclosed transport trailer. We got to push all the hay to the front of the trailer, so it's going to be an eventful day. Let's get rolling on this. We're going to use the grapple on the grapple bucket. We've got a log we're going to use, about 36 feet long. Push all the way up front. We got some ramps off an old trailer and an I-beam we're going to weld together today. Get that over here, weld it up. The hay that we're loading is over at the old dairy barn, so we'll be going over there, pulling all the equipment out of the dome, pulling some hay out, loading. I think we can get, I think it's roughly 50 bales on. So get most of the bales out of there. 50 bales per transport trailer load, not bad. So get that all on today. We were planning on doing corn, but that can wait a couple days. Probably start that tomorrow or Thursday. So it's gonna be eventful to try and load all this. First thing though today is gotta get the snowblower off. This thing's gonna help pull equipment out. Then I gotta hook the hoses back onto the grapple bucket from the grapple bucket onto here. So I'm gonna start doing that now. Got 2 ramps and an I-beam. We're only gonna use the 1 ramp, I believe. We're gonna stand it up like this on here, and this is what we're gonna use to push. We got a big log we're gonna put there and push the bales through. Got the grapple bucket hoses hooked up, snowblower off. I'm gonna toss some chains in that tractor. I'm gonna take the 2355 there, take it over to the milk barn and start pulling equipment out. Dad's gonna work on welding this. Just gotta weld this on, a couple support pieces here, and then probably cut a hole here to put a leg bolt in just in case. And these pieces here will hold the log from moving back and forth on the I-beam, so what the I-beam's not, or the log isn't terribly straight, so move it and it won't go like that inside of it. So then this won't go like that or flop around inside the trailer. It's about 1 o'clock now. Truck is going to be here between 3 and 5, and then we'll start loading it. I'm going to toss these chains in the tractor and start moving equipment out of the dome over there. Got to take another log just for extra length, just in case. Getting the 2355 warmed up. Got it plugged in all morning. I'm gonna take the bucket off, put the bale spears on. I'm gonna take the pallet forks with it too. With ours, my dad, when he bought the pallet forks for it, he welded on these tube steel and put bushings in and got bale spears bought. Toss them in so we don't have to buy an extra set of bale spears or something. We can have both the pallet fork and bale spear. Pretty decent. I'm gonna take the pallet forks with me. Gonna get this bucket off. Gonna hang this extension cord up out of the weather so the connections don't get full of water. Under the canopy it should be pretty good.
And that's because I need to be forward to there.
This is the style of push rod we're building with the ramp on top of it. Dad just marked that so he can grind it down and start welding. I'm gonna go find some scrap pieces to add on to it. We got some welds put on. That's gonna put the rest across there. I'm gonna head out with this tractor and start pulling equipment out. We got the log on the back. It's just a smaller one. Dad's gonna bring the other one with the other tractor and H-frame thing for building the push rod. So I just got the small one behind me. I'm gonna go start pulling equipment out of the dome. I'm over at the little milk barn now. Over in the dome, hooking onto the harvester. Gotta jack it up a bit to get into it. Gotta pull the harvester, tedder, disc, hay bind, and forge wagon out. We're thinking we might be able to get by here with the forge wagon without having to move the dump box. If we can't, move the dump box. This is the hay here. First hay we're pulling out is behind that forge box. So, gotta get all this out. Gonna pull it all out into the far bit there. Get it out of the way. Big transport's coming in. It's like a trailer like this. This is a trailer we cut in two for ends on the building here. Just for half ends, and equals out of storage space too. So, gonna get all this pulled out. Dad should be on his way here soon. I've got everything out of the dome that we need. It's all out in the field here. Harvester, dump box, hay bind, disc, tedder, forge box. One of 3 forge boxes we got. Dad's coming up through here now with the tractor, push rod, and another log. Getting the yard ready to bring the transport in. The log is here with the push rod we built. Got angle iron, a couple pieces here to stop from moving back and forth, and then the ramp welded on. Pretty decent. We're going to use the chainsaw, notch out a bit here to go into that spot there, get it so it's secure in there. We were counting these bales here. We only got 49 on this side, so on the other side of these bales we got to pull out the other harvester, the head, and the rake. This here is the hay, and then it meets up to old straw, so we can't sell that. So I'm gonna clear out the hay and get 2 bales out the other end for when the truck shows up. We got the 2 bales on the loader, got the harvester out, gotta bring it out front here. Should be ready to roll, just gotta wait for the truck now. Push rod is ready to go. Got some straps on it holding it on. Notched it out with the chainsaw. Got it inside the beam.
I mean, we could come in there.
Our truck has arrived. Gonna have them come around here and turn around. Gonna get the bucket on the end here. Tractor will put bales in, and then we lift it up, push it into the truck. Truck got turned around pretty easy. Now I'm back up into a spot here. Easy to load. or a decent spot to load.
That's pretty good. I'll be able to pull this out. There?
Perfect. The hay's pretty green. It's just sun-bleached, yellowy color. This is the 4th row going on here now. What? This is the 4th row. This will be 12 bales in the trailer. We're gonna get 51 in it total. Getting the push rod ready. Got it in the grapple bucket. We're gonna set it on the bale spheres. Driver's just gonna drive it forward so we got enough room here. Hopefully this works. Pushing the hay in. Working pretty good. Tractor with the chains made it work pretty good. Pushed it in all the way. Not too bad. The chains added extra bit of traction. So we're getting caught on the ice and these bales aren't going in. Had to shove on this side a bit too. That one went in pretty simple. Gotta see if this one will go in now. Looks like he's going to get a different bale than that one there, so see if it'll fit in better. There's the push rod there. We had to put that thing back on. It fell off on the inside of the trailer, but it worked pretty good. Not too bad. Problem we're having is when he goes in, it's slipping. He's got positive traction on there too, and it's slipping on the ice. Ice with no chains ain't too good with trying to get traction. Lights are on. It's starting to get dark out, so I'm gonna need the lights. Third guy here working. That's my grandpa. He's helping out just for an extra set of hands getting these bales loaded. Gonna try again. Do the second one now. Got a dilemma. It won't push. Shit. This ain't good. Got the backhoe and the tractor going at this. We don't got enough power. Get in the backhoe to push the tractor. Let's try this again. I'm gonna back up. Get out of the way. Get out of the danger. I climbed my dad's shoulders on the inside there to see how much farther we had. We had about 10 feet, so we gotta move her about 10 feet. We got that bit in there, been putting a bit more on. We bent a tooth on my bucket. It's a little bent up. Got to fix that. Either heat it up or get a new one. Oh no! I don't know if you see it. The whole bracket broke. Oh no! That ain't good. No! The whole bracket broke. That's unfortunate. We're gonna have to do some manufacturing, I guess. We're gonna go to John Deere and get a new bracket bought, I guess. Oh, a bit of snow on there. Clean that up. There. We're gonna have to get a new bracket bought. Hold it down. Or weld it. One of the two. We're gonna push this row in. Then we know we can get the last 4 rows in. Then the truck will be set to go. Push it once more. We're not going to use this time. We're just going to push it against that and hope that works. I got some dust and I got some pain in my eye. Got that out. Itchy, but it works. I'm going to try it once more. Pushing it. We got a post in there. That's a post there. It's moving. She's all the way in. We got the trailer loaded. It's completely full. Truck driver can head out now. We're on our way home. We got everything put back in the shed. All the equipment's back inside now. We got plenty more space in there. We're gonna maybe try to run corn tomorrow if we can. Hopefully we can go. If we can. We were gonna go today, but then they called about the truck showing up, so we got that hay loaded. That is going down south. I believe it's going to Indiana. That's a far track. Which I find that pretty cool how it's going all the way down there. Some Canadian hay going down south. Not too bad. They've been in a drought for quite a while. They're desperate for hay, so why not tuck down some extra hay that we have. We got another barn full with 150 bales. We'll be putting that on a flat deck though. That won't have all the sides and roof on it. So basically the reason why we're doing that on the flat deck is because those bales are quite a bit smaller and they don't fit in the enclosed trailers as good. So I hope everyone enjoyed today's video. It's a little different. Never done it before. My dad, when he was around my age, he used to build transports every Saturday full of small square bales. Take him 3-4 hours to do. They get her done. First time we filled one with big squares, I thought it was pretty cool. I hope everyone enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for more. Have a good one.